Matthew Ladd here. This week I'm going to show you how to operate an NRC platform on a Kenworth T880 that we currently have for sale. Before I get started, this is just for informational purposes. Always make sure you operate your NRC platform and your truck in a safe and secure manner. So the first step is to engage the PTO. You'll see right here, we have the PTO. We flip this switch up and we touch the brakes, and you'll see right there on the dash, it says the PTO is engaged. And in the truck, so you'll see now we're at the back of the platform. You have one set of controls here to control the platform with a pressure gauge. And if we go right over here to the other side, this is to add on an additional car at the back, so you can take more cars at the same time. And also on the passenger side, you have the additional controls right here, but you do not have a pressure gauge on the passenger side. Now, the importance of having the controls on both sides is to always make sure you're in a safe and secure position. If you're on this side here, and this is the traffic side, you don't want to be here with cars going by. You want to be on the other side. So no matter what side of the road you're on, you're able to be in a safe, secure position. Now let me show you what those controls do. Now we're going to show you how to extend it out. You'll see here. So you'll see here, you can easily see the drawings about what the different controls do. We will start with putting the platform towards the back, which you need to do before you start tilting. So you pull this down. Now to put the platform back towards the front, we'll show you how to do that right now. You pull this up. Now to tilt the platform down, you press here. To tilt the platform up, you press here. Now I'm going to show you how to drop the extension here. There you go. Now I'm going to show you how to put it back up. Oh, now I'm going to show you how to put it back up. And there you have it. There's a look on how to work an NRC platform on this Kenworth T880 that we currently have for sale. As you can see, there's different controls. Always make sure you're using them safely and securely. That's Group Kenworth Montreal T.N.T, Trucks and Tips for this week, and I'm Matthew Ladd. Stay tuned for more tips in the future. Thank you.